Hi, I'm Don Geer from NTI, here to show you the 2026 MND Raffle truck. It's a 1947 Chevrolet Maple Leaf, completely modernised to four-wheel drive, and it's an absolute pearler of a vehicle. Let me show you around it. It's beautiful. We've got a classic Maple Leaf body. It's got the Hino 2019 running gear, 4-litre turbo diesel, 6-speed manual gearbox, front and rear diff making it four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes. It drives just like the modern version you would expect. So whether you want a truck built for adventure or built for every day to be a workhorse, this is the one for you. We've got a 6-tonne electric winch, LED driving lights, heavy-duty front protection plate, diamond plate flooring, and it's got a 3.5-tonne tow bar. Inside we've tried to keep this the lovely classic look of the Maple Leaf, but we've had to modernise it, of course, to make it a nice everyday drive. It's got all our modern features: electric windows, power steering, touchscreen media, reupholstered, air conditioning, everything you can think of and need that makes it a really nice drive, and it's even got a reversing camera. This is going to be the 9th vehicle we've raffled since 2017, raising over $3 million for MND research. 100% of the proceeds goes towards MND research. So do yourself a really good favour, buy a ticket, support MND, and you might be the lucky person driving away in this magnificent truck.